Hey guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Sanjana. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to check out all of my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay, so welcome to today's video. Now for today, I'm reviewing a store which is the favorite of so many people, and personally even I love it. And that is none other than Miniso. It's a Japanese brand which is known for its very cheap yet very cute, utility friendly products. And one of my favorite things when I used to go out was to just roam around the Miniso store. But sadly, even though things are getting back to normal, if you're not feeling comfortable going to a store, then I have some very good news. And that is Miniso is now online. It is available on Amazon and I saw it a few months back and I was so happy. Also, most of their stores are in metro cities, so not everyone could earlier have access to these products, but now everyone can. And I did test out and went through the entire ordering process of Miniso online, and I have a few thoughts. The brand is super amazing, but when it came to the online services, they still have a few glitches here and there and a few things that went wrong, which I will be explaining as we go along with this video. Okay, so first things first, as I mentioned that I discovered Miniso on Amazon about 2-3 months back, and I was very excited that it's online. I placed an order for about 10 to 12 products to review them and to just review their online ordering process, and the order got cancelled. I don't know if they weren't prepared at that moment or if like my order had so many products, but it just got cancelled. And I was very sad that why would they put up the store if they're not ready to take in orders yet. Cut to a week back when I was like, okay, you know what, let's give this another try. Now I placed the order again for about 10-12 items to review, and my package arrived. This is the box in which all the products arrived, and there were supposed to be 10 products in this. Even on the invoices they have listed all the 10 products, but only 8 of them arrived. And also I think Miniso is directly sending out the products from their warehouse because there's no Amazon packaging on this, and according to them they have completed the order. Because on Amazon, if 2 or 3 products are coming separately, then it will be mentioned, a separate tracking number will be given. Thankfully you can still call the Amazon customer care. There's no number directly, but you have to go to the contact section and fill in your number for them to call you, and then they will call you. So thankfully that worked, and the customer care executive just issued the refund for the missing items. So everything is good on Amazon's part, but I'm not sure what Miniso is up to. Okay, now let's straight up get into the product. I made a very conscious effort to just order the items that I need, even if that means like a shorter haul for you, because everything is so cheap. You're like, ye bhi le lete, but I made sure I thoroughly checked whether I need this or not. There are a few makeup tools that I got. I don't know why, but I've just been testing out cheap makeup tools. So this is the first one. This is the set of the oval brushes. I've never tried like this shape of brushes, so I thought to first just test out. This is what it looks like. First, the brushes look pretty soft. The handle is all plastic, but this is really soft. It has a little bit of glossy texture like all over. I chose this because of the variety in sizes. Okay, moving on to a really cute product. It's basically a wallet. It's come very nicely packaged, and it has like a unicorn, a metal kind of a logo, and it says life is simple, that is slightly embossed. One thing I'm immediately noticing is the black marks right here. Okay, so you have one pocket right here which opens with the metal clasp, and then you have this size, so this is for all your cards. I really like this. I love the color. It seems like of a decent quality for 400 rupees, and I desperately needed like the tiniest wallet possible, because as I'm going out because of COVID and everything, I'm not preferring to carry lots of things or like a big bag. So this is like really handy. It's the perfect size. It'll fit the cards, it'll fit the money you need. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. Would 100% recommend. Ooh, the next thing looks so pretty. So it's basically this phone holder that I got. Now once again, for anything in a shiny gold color, I am up for it. Okay, after thousands of years I finally managed to get this out. It is very pretty, and it has like a line of diamond detailing down, and it's a simple stick-on process. There's like a plastic sheet. One thing I have to mention before we move forward, I just realized this, I just saw this on like the back of the packaging, and that is that it is designed by Japan but it is a made in China product, and I did not want to go ahead without mentioning this factor because it is a really important point. Okay, the next thing, oh my god, it's so cute. So it's basically a beauty blender with like a rose gold stand. Now again, I chose this because rose gold firstly goes with the theme of my room. This sponge I honestly have very less expectations from. It is very cute. It has like a face drawn on it, but my main reason was getting this stand to put my beauty blender. I don't want to mix up my beauty blender with like other products. I wanted it to be in a separate stand, so I found this, and like this is perfect for around rupees 220. I think it's a decent price. Quality of the metal is not super amazing. The color will start to fade and it's not very sturdy. Okay, this is so cute, and I think that's the beauty of Miniso, that when you used to go to the store, it just feels like a different fantasy land on its own. Everything is super fun, super quirky, yet you can use all of their products. Basically, it is a 3-in-1 brush. Once again, I'm not sure how this will perform. I'll maybe give you guys an update in a few weeks. I'll post it down in the comment section. But what was very unique is that it has 3 brushes in one. So you have this fluffy foundation angled brush, then you have like a mini beauty blender, and then you have a little eyeshadow brush. And honestly, I think it's a great idea for travel, hopefully in the future, or even if you just want to put up one thing in your purse for touch-ups. This is perfect. It's entirely transparent, looks super cool, and has a rose gold ring on the top. Okay, nail products that I picked up, one was this nail polish in like a really nice coral color. It looks more bright definitely than I'd expected. I have tested out the nail polish formula before and I like it, and this color, okay, it is a little too bright for me, but if you're into this vibe, then definitely go for it. Along with that, I also got this nail polish remover, again for rupees 85. This is what the bottle looks like. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick pause to show you 2 sets of perfumes. A lot of people are preferring Miniso for perfumes, and I know why the hype is. They do some amazing perfumes. These perfumes last all day, and these are one of my favorite scents in like a budget friendly price. So I did not order this currently, but I have been using these from Miniso itself. So I thought just to share my recommendations. Both of these are available on the Amazon store. One is this travel perfume Winter Secret. I absolutely love this one. It has like a hint of musk, floral, just that perfect balance. And the second one I love from Miniso is their Shine one. Now this is a really nice sweet smell. It's not very overpowering, but again just the perfect scent, and it has a very cute packaging too. So in case you're looking for perfume recommendations, then these are the ones I'd recommend. The next thing which again I desperately needed was this set of mini like bottles, transparent bottles where you can store basically anything. Again, mainly for travel, but I like this on a day-to-day basis also, just to have like in an overnight bag or something like that. Miniso has like a great variety of these. I finally picked up this 8 pieces one with blue colored. This is a spray bottle. You have this smaller green one. The lid just opens if you press, and you have these 3 tiny boxes, and there's also a little spatula and a funnel for pouring. That's smart. I'm kind of sad that this is ending. Like, I was actually having fun unboxing, and it gave me a little reminder of when I used to visit the store. So the last thing is this facial brush. Now I've been wanting to get my hands on one to, you know, scrub off my makeup. So it has 2 sides. These bristles are much more denser and softer and longer, whereas you have this side also. This is more of like a silicone material. Now again, because this is going to go to the skin, so I'm going to be testing this out very carefully, and if it harms my skin in any way, then I will be updating that down below. And yeah guys, this was the end of my first experience shopping online on Miniso, and like a first impressions come reviews of the products I ordered. I hope you guys enjoyed and had as much as fun as I did shooting this for you. Any thoughts, please drop them down. I mention this in every video, but I love talking to you guys in the comment section. And please subscribe. We have a huge giveaway and a very interesting video at 50k, so help me reach there ASAP. And yeah, that's about it. Any other ideas, comments, suggestions, thoughts, drop them down too, and I shall see you guys very very soon with another video.